back to my channel. I'm Divine. I'm happy you stopped by. So today I didn't actually plan to do this video, but I'm happy I did. So today I'll be giving you 5 products you need if you want to start your natural hair journey or basically want to transition. So the first product you need is a wide tooth comb. You don't need cleaned tooth combs or small tooth combs because they cause breakage. I don't want breakage because breakage leads to detained length. You want your length to grow longer, so you need wide tooth comb. And also wide tooth combs help your hair to be groomed, and you want your hair to be groomed because groomed hair leads to fast hair growth. Second thing you need is a hair gel, hair cream, or natural oil. You need this because it helps to promote hair growth and helps your scalp and your hair to moisturize it from dandruffs and the likes. The third thing you need is a shampoo. You need a shampoo. Even though you don't have a conditioner or leave-in conditioner, you need a shampoo to wash out your oils in your hair and prevent germs, because once your hair is clean, it promotes hair growth. Then the fourth thing you need is a satin scarf. You need a satin scarf. I'm frankly not tying my satin scarf right now, but you need a satin scarf when you want to go to bed. It keeps your hair or your hairstyle in place and helps to keep it neat for a longer period of time. And this also promotes hair growth because once your hair is in for a long period of time, it helps your hair to grow because your hair follicles rest, and this helps to promote hair growth. Get that? So the last thing you need is, what's the last thing? What's the last thing? What's the last thing? Yep, the last thing you need is a spray bottle. I almost forgot that. You need a spray bottle when you want to detangle your hair. You keep warm water inside, not hot water, because I kept hot water in my spray bottle and it melted like bad. So you keep warm water in your spray bottle, spray a little on your hair and comb that out, and I bet you get the best results. Come back and thank me because I know I give the best advice. So I hope you like this video. Although this video is so funny to me, I can't stop laughing. But I hope you gained a lot. And don't forget to subscribe if you've not, and give this video a thumbs up to encourage me. Thank you.